As you can see, we've put one of our spring retainer clips on. It covers a little bit of the honeycomb. We've done a little bit of damage there. The bees are going to repair that incredibly quickly. In about 24 hours or so, they're going to have this comb area that we've detached completely reattached. And as you can see, the aluminum is just simply bent over the top bar, and it holds this comb back into position. Now we had to remove a little bit of comb in this top area to get that comb aligned back up underneath this top bar. But looking at it straight on now, as you can see, for the most part, that is very well in alignment underneath that top bar. It extends down over both sides, and this is just a temporary thing. It'll be there for 3 or 4 days, and then we can go in and surgically remove it. The bees may have put a little comb or propolis and glued it in, but we'll be able to remove that, and by that time the bees will have repaired all of that damage we did to the comb where we disconnected it, and they'll have reattached it, and so it'll be lined up nice and straight for you. Real simple to do. It just requires a little time and effort. Now we're going to go in and repair the other side in the exact same manner, and we're going to go through the rest of the 2 or 3 bars that we have, and we're going to perform the same procedure, and we're going to get these bees back on track. But as you can see, we got some beautiful honeycomb, nice, clean. It's still fairly flexible. That's when you want to get in there and make your repair. And we got some nice honey coming on there. Right now in Indiana, it's 7 June. And we got a lot of basically red clover that's on right now. So the bees are really working hard on it.